Hi, in this video, I will show you how to set up an automation flow for the CRM. To begin, click on the CRM module, and here you will find the automation section. In this automation panel, you will be able to see all the automation flows that you have already set up for your organization. To create a new automation flow, click on Create Automation. Here, you can enter the event name. For example, if you want to automatically handle follow-ups for the proposals you have sent, you can name the event as Proposal. Once you enter the event name, another field will appear where you can set the trigger. In our case, we are going to set up an automation flow for proposal follow-up. By default, we provide multiple trigger options. In this example, I'm selecting Proposal Post Opened. Here, you can set the trigger condition, for example, after how many days the follow-up should be sent. Let's say 2 days. Next, choose which email or notification template should be triggered. You can select from our default templates available in the Template Center under Notifications. For this example, I am choosing Follow-up on Proposal Sent. Similarly, you can add multiple follow-up sequences. If you want to create your own notification templates, you can do that in the Template Center under Notifications, and then select them here for this automation. After that, set the lead status to which this automation applies. For example, whether the follow-up is for a new lead, connected lead, proposal sent lead, or scheduled meeting. In our case, we will choose Proposal Sent Lead. You can also provide a description explaining what this follow-up automation is about. On the right side, you'll be able to see the workflow summary showing all the actions you have selected. Once everything is configured, click Save. This is how you can set up an automation flow for your leads. So instead of manually following up, the system will automatically take care of it for you. Now, after setting up the automation flow, if you want to make any changes, click on the Action button. Here, you have the Edit option. If you want to make this automation inactive, you can deactivate it. Or, if you want to delete this automation flow completely, you can delete it as well. This is how you can create, edit, manage, and automate your CRM follow-up processes efficiently.
Thank you.